Hello and namaste. This is us team Arbitrary disease, and for our final semester agile development project, we have chosen the Scrum methodology, and we have chosen to develop a job vacancy and appointment system. And for the development, we have created a Scrum team which consists of Sohail Maharjan as the Scrum Master, Roshan Sharma in the development team, Bikram Budha, Khadka, Abhinav Bhattarai in the development team as well, and we have created we plan on creating a job vacancy and appointment system where a user will be searching for a job, and organization could post for a job, and the user who requires the job could apply, and admin will be responsible to verify the organization and the listing. So here are the set of instructions that we followed during the project planning. And for planning, we have created a project backlog which consists of all the necessary features and the goal of the user with the feature. And here we have created a agile user story which consists of all the features, and they are divided into separate sprints with the priority which are represented by the colors. And the red color here represents the high priority, and green color represents the medium priority, whereas blue represents the low quality priority for the specific user story. And here, this is the release plan. The release plan consists of the user story, its start date, finish date, and the duration of working hour, and the story points, as well the status and the release date for the specific sprint of the user story. And here is the user story map board which explains the sprint and its time frame in the implementation, as well the prioritization as a card which you can see here. And we also have developed a user story. From the user story, we have created a sprint planning table, and from the sprint planning table, we, after completion of the specific sprint, we have calculated the hours we have invested and our effort, and managed to create a successful burn down chart for every sprint. So now we are here for our project. And our project, the job vacancy system, is developed using Node.js for backend API and MySQL as the database, and we have used Express, and we have used Windows Visual Studio Code to develop the backend of our system. And here you can see this is our final product, which is developed using the Android Studio and Visual Studio Code. And in the Android Studio, we have used Java to develop our project. And this is the Android Studio Code for our Android development. And here it is inside the Android. Here are all the necessary adapter and APIs and fragments, as well the model and list of unit testing. We have created 3 different types of user, as you can see here in our application. You can see that we have created 3 different types of model of user, and first one is user, and the second one is organization user, and the third one is admin user. So sorry, here in the Android Studio, let us go and run this application and see. It's showing the Gardel is building, making sure that enable my server application. So here we go, and this is our server where we have started Apache and MySQL. So close this. Now here you can see this is our Visual Studio where we have developed our backend using the Express and Node.js and MySQL. So you can see here are all the routes and validation, and this is the index file, and this is the package.json where all the dependencies necessary for our project are listed. And now let's start the backend. npm start. So our backend server has started and it's listing on the port 8001, and also our Android application has started as well. And here you can see this is our Android application, as we have already previewed a small teaser of it during the explanation time of our Android Studio code blocks. So here you can see here's the user. We can log in or sign up user. So let us sign up for a user. User 2. User 2. That's birthday. Say can pick up birthday. Say March 4. Okay. And let's pick up a contact number 0 and address KTM NP and email address user to add user to add user.com, and it is the password user2 3. So you can sign up the user here, and likewise we could sign up an organization and we could log in the user. Since we have created user 2 at user.com, user we have just created, and user 2 at 123. So I can log in here and it shows all the listed job vacancies, and the applied job is for the user. So let me apply to this Costa Rica College of IT and Commerce web developer job. So I have applied for a job, and since I have applied, it will be now be viewed in the applied job list. And let's say I want a developer ad. So here we can search the related keyword like GRAPFSCS. I need a graphic, so it will display the related visual for the respective keyword as well. So and likewise we could run all the application run the application for all the user types, and similarly you could run the organization. So, so this is a organizational dashboard which shows the job list the organization has posted, and here the organization is allowed to create a job list as well and post a job. And here is the organizational profile and the about us page. So we could easily the organization profile, we could view the listed job from our organization, and we could post a new job for their organization. And admin is responsible for controlling features, like the admin verifies the organization, and once the organization is verified, only they need to be allowed to add add the job vacancy in the system. So this is the application we have developed in our self development. Thank you very much.